Why spend your leisure bereft of pleasure, amassing treasure? Why scrape and save? Why look so canny at every penny? You'll take no money within the grave. Landlords and gentry with all their plenty must still go empty where'er they're bound. So to my thinking we'd best be drinking, our glasses clinking and round and round.
Is summerly a viesig dana a chinopinus a dana stoir. Is leid a chiv nias der an tail shog a meshiad shianta fein lich a foil. Mas tiana tire duch nori ho nirach a pian lad fein void. Marshin da vrish en nil bart nias chriana na ver a shiri chair prabs an all.
King Solomon's glory, so famed and story, was far outshone by the lilies' guise. But hard winds harden both field and garden, pleading for pardon, the lily dies. Life's but a bubble of toil and trouble, the feathered arrow once shot ne'er found. So lads and lasses, because life passes, come fill your glasses for another round.
Is summerly viesig a lily skiava, giger buis gair galach roin. Solomon Creana in Nachalaria, all ni vech shang aver vechoni of galo. Honil sa tail shach mashan an guihe, on slam na squeal no slam den hio. Marshin da vrish en nil bart nias Creana, na vega shiri vecher prabs on all.
The huckster greedy, he blinds the needy, their straits unheeding, shouts money down. His special voice is his fancy prices, for a florin's value he'll charge a crown. With hum for trammel, the scripture's camel missed the needle's eye, and so came to ground. Why pine for riches, while still you've stitches to hold your breeches up? Another round.